Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video, my dogs are barking. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing something from a new, to me, beauty company. I got these in the mail yesterday. I was pretty excited. So, it was kind of funny the way they were packaged. So, I got this round thing in this box, and there was tape. So it was packaged together like this. It was taped together. So, kind of funny. This is, yeah, from the same company. So this is a mystery box. And then this thing, it's so big. So I'm going to show you this first because I know what this is. The other box, I really quickly took everything out of the bubble wrap and stuff, but I tried not to look at it, so I don't quite know what's in it. Okay, so this is considered the PR package. PR package. I didn't get this in PR. I paid for it. But I saw this from one of my makeup groups, and I don't remember which one it was. But if you're in any makeup groups, by the way, in Facebook, let me know down below. Dogs barking again. If you're in any like Reddit makeup groups, let me know which ones you're in below as well, because I would love to join them, because hey, the more the merrier. I saw people talking about eye primers. As we all know, I've been using the ABH eye primer, and that's been pretty cool. But I saw someone talk about this company, and they sell theirs. Someone said $3, but they are $4. But they sell eye primers for $4, and they are 0.5 ounces in the bottle. I think that's good. I don't have my P.Louise right here to show you how much is in it, but look at this. Anyways, so we got eye primers all around in rainbow colors. We also have eye gel pencils and then paint pots. So super exciting. I think I opened one. I think it was this one. Yes. So, and the little pots are covered in foil, which is great. The ones that I got from ColourPop did not have foil on them, so that's awesome. That is 2 grams. So 2 grams in each little pot. And then the gel liner. I already tried this out too. But nice formula. This is the only color I opened, so that was the Fresh Aqua. But yeah, you can see how many colors are here, and those are all the tubes. Those are all eye primers. So this is awesome. That's why I said in my previous video, damn, I should have used the yellow one for this look, or yeah, for the previous look, for the one where I did the yellow eyeshadow. So anyways, so we got that. That is freaking awesome. Again, this is the PR package that I purchased. Did not get it in PR. I did pay for it. Okay, and then also, my dog is still barking. Since I was buying from them, I decided to get a mystery box. So we got a mystery box here. Ooh. They look like, so it's called BeautyCreations. BeautyCreations is the brand. It looks like they do lots of colorful stuff, and I like my color. So, and it looks like there's a lot of stuff in here. Now I believe this was $45 for this mystery box. And this was like I think they had different levels of mystery boxes. So I'm just going to grab the first thing here that I see. So some of it was in clear packaging, so I didn't take it out of the clear packaging. I should have. For the noise aspect. But whatever. Okay, so this is a BeautyCreations Peony Setting Spray. I don't know. Oh gosh, I don't like flowers, but okay, I'm just going to spray this on the box. And we will see how it smells. So this is 4 full ounces. This is a nice it's a nice size. Okay, that's gonna go in the giveaway pile. Not a fan. Okay, next thing I'm grabbing, and yeah, I didn't see a card for. So next thing I'm grabbing, get rid of the packaging here. This is a Dare to Be Bright. It looks like it is gloss. Super bright. Very cool. So it just came in this little box. I'm just going to test it out. So, is this orange? Oh, it's... Here, I thought it was going to be like bright orange. No. Oh. That is like a... Wow. That's not what I was expecting. That's freaking hilarious. Okay. You are a chameleon. It's like a pinky mauve. Pinky purple mauve. Okay, well, let's see what this one looks like, because, man, I thought this was going to be bright orange. And this is a, like, just a frosty clear. Wow, okay. Those faked me out. That's funny, but the packaging, super fun, super bright. Okay, cool. No complaints there. We got a pair of eyelashes. And I do like those types of eyelashes. They work very well on hooded eyes, so I will likely use those, just not today. Okay, we have a fan brush. Super fun. I already have a few of those. So I will probably put that in the giveaway pile. Alright, we have a Beauty Creations blending sponge. It says latex free. And then you can actually see on the back, it's imprinted with Beauty Creations. The bottom of the box says, "Thanks, babe." Okay, so we have... Okay, that's just my invoice. Oh! Oh, that's cute. Okay, so we got stickers. Very cute. Okay. Treat yourself. So this says, "Thanks for your order. Hashtag bcbabe. Beauty creation looks good on you. Take 25% off your next order with the code." Okay, so we have a code. So next bcbabe, and I assume that is for everyone to use. So I'm gonna put that here, and I'll link it in my description box below along with their website. And then we have this card right here. Now again, it doesn't say what is actually in the mystery box. This is about the words. The primers, gel pots, gel liners. Okay. Okay, this says, "It's time to step out of your comfort zone and into some color. We provided the necessary tools needed for you to create your own unique look, ... but only if you dare." Okay, so this has 12 color base primers. It says shakeable for using. They're $4 each. We have 12 gel pots. Those are $3 each. We have 12 gel liners. Those are $3 each. So that's really good for what I got. Like, we'll have to see how they work, and I'm not testing those today. I might use a gel liner like in my waterline before I go to work here, but I will definitely test those out later on. Okay, so let's look at the last few things in my mystery box here though. We have, like I said, 3, they look like belts. So this is Angel Glow. I am going to assume this is like a highlighter palette. I'm not gonna toss the sleeve out. I probably won't keep this. And nope, definitely not gonna keep this. I already have palettes like this, so cool. So I'm gonna put that right in the sleeve. That's gonna go in the giveaway pile. Alright, second to last thing here, Esmeralda 2. Okay, well, I'm keeping that. Nice little colored palette. Neat. Ooh, I especially like the look at this, that shimmer right there. Okay, that is mine. And then the last thing is huge. So Beauty Creations, Alicia. Okay. Okay, please do not be a neutral palette. Please don't be another Barbarella. Okay, I have high hopes. Yes. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay. Very happy with that, to see that this is an actual very colorful eyeshadow palette. Very nice. Okay. That is also mine. Okay, cool. All right. Good mystery box. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, I do have a giveaway going. Please enter that. Win lots of great stuff. And I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Look at that. Look how big that is. We're really washing out the color. Okay, anyways. Alright, and then looks like the last few things in here are palettes. Oh, there are some cards down here. Hold on. Yes, okay. I'm just looking at the lipstick. It dried down. It's matte. Cool. Okay, let's try it again. Alright, well thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing video for Beauty Creations. I just got it. Johnny. Johnny baby. You me in the video? No, guess you don't want to be in the video. And then some of these products you will see in the giveaway in the next part of March.